I'm George Burney with Barrington Packaging Systems Group. Our company provides small and mid-sized companies, processors, with affordable automation. I'm standing in front of a BPS 150, features a hopper, a rotary cup filling system, a date coder, and it will run any types of film that will seal to themselves. Polypropylene laminations, polyester poly laminations, as well as paper poly. The machine is affordable. It comes with a 2-year parts and labor warranty, which enables our customers to have the ability to have a good quality piece of equipment that enables them to count on the piece of equipment on a day in and day out basis, depending on the size, shape, and length of the package. Let me take a moment and talk about the various packages that we're able to produce on this machine, with either an auger filler, a rotary cup filling system, a piston filler, or a rotary pump. Now, we've taken the safety guard off the machine in order to show you the various sizes and shapes of the pieces that this piece of equipment in the series will do. We can do powders, granulated powders, liquids, and sauces. And we can run the machine anywhere from 30 to 70 packages per minute. It can be plain type products like you see here, or printed products, which is either date coded or with registered wrap. Anything that will seal to itself, the BPS 150 will run and seal properly. It'll do plain film, and with the appropriate code dater, you can also code date the product as well. The types of products that we've been able to pack in this machine are liquids, something like a wine cooler pop. We can do milk powders, we can do pretzel salts, we can do coffee, basically a frac pack in the machine, a stick pack, including liquids, solids, granulated products, either printed or plain film. And we've been able to do it from anywhere from 30 to 80 packages per minute, depending on the length of the product. Now, this machine also does nitrogen flush for extended code life. As you can see, that has a wide berth of sizes. You can go from this size to this size with just simply changing the forming tube and, of course, the film. This particular package here is pretzel salt. The machine is very user-friendly, has a touch screen, which will include the ability to do gas flushing for extending the code life of your product. Now, this machine is designed with a small footprint so that it can be used in a pilot plant for a large company that doesn't want to interrupt the production of their main line on products. It also allows them to do test runs and look that much more professional as it relates to home use tests and consumer attitude studies about the packaging. We've put these machines in anything from a pilot plant down to a small retailer who is interested in taking control over the packaging materials and packaging process in either their store or in their small plant. Now, this is perfect for the contract packer who wants to take control over his sales in terms of satisfying the small startup company that he comes to. Has a hopper, a spindle for the film, a date coder. All of our machines with the 2-year parts and labor warranty are stainless steel. That enables you to give a good quality product at an affordable price. You can see that there's the ability to gas flush the product, and it also has safety covers, which we remove for demonstration purposes. Now, as you can see from this machine, it has a very small footprint. It's this tall and it's this wide. So it can fit virtually, if it can fit essentially the same size as a file cabinet in your facility. It runs on 220 single phase and does not require air. It's mechanical oriented. I'd like to talk to you about this machine, and you can contact me at 888-814-7999 extension 1. That's George Burney, Barrington Packaging Systems Group, 888-814-7999 extension 1. Thanks.
Hey, this is Danny from Barrington Packaging Systems Group, and I'm here with Brian Fuller. He's a turnaround specialist. He knows all about manufacturing equipment and machines and packaging, and he helps companies increase their profits and reduce their labor costs and helps them get through these crazy times that we're all living in. Brian, thanks for being with me today.
Thanks, Danny. It's good to be here.
Thanks. So what are we talking about?
Well, I'm going to talk today about Barrington P60 candy machine. It's a small footprint with high output candy machine at a very affordable cost. You want to go ahead and run the video on that, Danny?
Roger that. Here we go.
What you're seeing is the BPS P60 candy vertical form, fill, and seal packaging machine. The features and benefits are 304 stainless steel material, 2-year parts and labor warranty. Specifications are bag size of length 30 millimeters to 150 millimeters, or 1.2 inches to 5.9 inches. The width is 25 millimeters to 100 millimeters, or 0.98 inches to 3.9 inches. The speed is 40 to 60 packages per minute. Bag seal style is 3-side or 4-side seal. Weight of the machine is 469 pounds on casters. Dosing mechanism is rotary volumetric. Power requirements is 220 single phase. All BPS packaging equipment systems can be customized to meet the customer's unique needs at an additional cost.
So Brian, if someone wanted to get a hold of you, because this is exactly what they need, and they need it right now, okay? They want to get a hold of you. What's the easiest way, and what are some other alternatives?
Okay. Well, the two best ways to get a hold of me is either by email or by my cell phone. And my cell phone number is 641-228-0146. Obviously, if I'm in a meeting, it's going to go to voicemail, but don't be afraid. Go ahead and leave a voicemail because I will get back to you right away.
And then if they go to the website, bpsgusa.com, there's all other types of machines before and after this particular system. Then if they want to get a hold of you, you're all over the website also, so that's great. What about financing? Talk a second about Barrington. I know we have a strategic partner that helps us with financing.
Yes. And that is something that we probably don't talk enough about, especially for people that have upcoming projects. We have the 90 days same as cash type thing. We have, zero down on that financing in many cases. So it's a perfect fit for those people that have a big project coming up. And when you have a big project coming up, you have a lot of upfront expenses before the customer gets their money from their customer. And so the financing terms can be absolutely imperative at that point.
And you work with them on all of that, whatever their needs are.
Right.
Okay, so I think we've got it all. We covered the video. We took a look at the sheet on the machine. We saw the machine run. We talked a little bit about you and how you help companies turn around. Thanks so much for doing this video. And for the person watching this, they might see it on LinkedIn, or they might get an email blast on this, or one of the social media platforms. Again, Brian's number will be on screen. As we fade to black, I say thanks, Brian, for being here with me again today.
Thanks, Danny. Take care.
Have a good one. Bye now.
Let's take a moment to talk about my favorite labor-saving device, the BPS Mini Bagger. With labor being the one cost that you truly can control, the BPS Mini Bagger can help you dramatically cut your packaging labor costs and grow your bottom line. The BPS Mini Bagger fills, closes, and seals any style of preformed bag, even with zippers, at speeds of up to 20 bags a minute with just one worker. The BPS Mini Bagger has a small footprint with maximum output and is a low-cost machine. If you want to know more about the Mini Bagger, please call us at 888-814-7999 for more information. Thank you.
Barrington proudly announces a revolutionary upgrade to our Mini Bagger for stand-up pouches. The BPS Mini Bagger is already the economical labor-saving system that automates packaging with preformed bags. Now the Mini Bagger comes with an add-on that can add shelf life and stability to your products. It's a gas flushing system that doubles as a vacuum sealer. Now you can gas flush with nitrogen or reverse the airflow to create a vacuum-sealed stand-up bag. 2 ways to assure your product reaches your customers at the peak of freshness. Only from Barrington.
This is 220 units per minute.
Per minute, right there.
Hi, it's Tom McClure. I'm here at Pack Expo 2018. I'm showing a Barrington BPS 450 horizontal flow wrapper. The special thing about this machine is that it's got an automatic infeed. Let's start at the very end. We've got obviously safety guards, new guards, so you can see, but you got visibility, but you can't hurt yourself. It's got a touch screen. It's got a top chain conveyor. That's a compression brush conveyor that takes excess air out of the product and makes for a very nice uniform product. This one has a date code printer. It runs with plain film or printed film. And this one has a short infeed for show purposes. Normally the infeed conveyor on this unit is about one meter long. Now the extra benefit we're showing today is an automatic infeed. The problem with a flow wrapper, if you're loading manually, is you usually can't keep up with the machine. And with an automatic infeed, you can cut that labor force probably in half. Here's your finished product. Front and back, you have a nice fin seal and a nice tight, smooth package. If you're interested in this machine and want to get hold of me, it's Tom McClure. It's TJ McClure at BPSGUSA.com. Toll-free phone is 888-814-7999. Hope to hear from you. Thanks. Good. Good.